We just got our BLACK+DECKER French door air fryer toaster oven, and let's see what it comes with. It's really big. So you've got the toaster oven itself with the cord.
And then inside, there's all these nice little trays that come with.
Ooh, doors open really nice. And then inside,
We've got an air fryer basket.
And that's all that's in there. Oh, there's the catcher for crumbs, etc. Make it easier to clean.
And then also in the box, it looks like we've got a rack and one more tray that would fit. There's a tray and a rack.
And instruction book, along with warranty and an important notice.